Namaste, Jai Hind. Welcome to my YouTube channel Moto Guru. My name is Amit and today I am there with you with a very amazing and cool helmet made by Scorpion for Harley Davidson. So this is an amazing item. This is a very cool helmet which I have brought for you today. Today we are going to discuss about its reviews. So stay tuned. So this helmet is Pilot X04 3-in-1 helmet. You can see it looks like a pilot. Maybe that's why its name is Pilot. So why this helmet is so special, I will tell you one by one all the features. This Pilot Scorpion helmet gives you 3 innovative compatibilities which you can wear according to your usage. So these 3 compatibility modes, that depends on the flexibility as well as the comfort what you are desiring with this helmet. Like the first mode I will discuss, this is a full face helmet. So in the first mode, in the full face helmet, you get the comfort for protecting your head completely with the wind as well with any kind of impact. In the first case, in full face helmet, you get this face mask and this rear sleeve over here. So this completely protects including your jaws. So this is the first mode of operability. In the second mode, you just take this out just by pressing these buttons. It's very simple. Just press this button, the face mask comes out. Similarly from this side also, the face mask comes out and here is the face mask ejected. This becomes 1/3 of your helmet and this is the best option which I personally like the most. You wear it, it becomes very comfortable, including giving comfort to your ears, your head, your forehead, your chin, because this rear sleeve is still there. It is for the protection of your jaws. And in the third configuration, you have to take this out. I will not show you because it takes a little bit time. There is a button over here. When you press this button, this rear sleeve comes out and then it becomes the third option, that is called as the half face helmet. I want to tell my viewers that very few half-face helmets are rarely approved by DOT. Using this helmet, you will enjoy all these features. You will get the security approved by DOT. That is an institution which approves and certifies the helmet for your safety. And then you can wear it in the half-face configuration. You can see over here, it is certified by DOT even in the half-face configuration. So it is very safe, very cool looking and very up-to-date helmet. Now moving towards the front side of your helmet, there is a sun shield over here, and this sun shield makes you completely safe from the UV protection as its features include 95% of UV protections. And the best thing about this sun shield is that it have an anti-fog layer at both the sides, front side and as well as the rear side. So there is no chance of fog when you are driving it in the mountains. So anti-fog will help you over there. And one more best thing about this is when you fix this face mask over here, so this sun shield will rest over this packing. I want to show you this packing. You can see the seal or this packing or this rubber material, it will prevent the wind blast to enter inside your helmet. So when you're driving, I personally felt that when I'm driving, then the air cannot be felt on my face. When I was using a cheaper helmet, I was very much feeling that air blast on my eyes as well. And while wearing this helmet, even sometimes I do not need a sunglass. So this is the best helmet which I have seen in this format. Let's talk about this face mask. You can see it is having magnetic strips over here so that when you put it inside, it's easily detected by the helmet as well as it is easily ejected by the helmet. So these magnetic strips will help you a lot. The second thing, there is a cloth lining. You can see here, it will protect you from the pollutants present in the air. But one negative point about this face mask is it is clearly written over here that it will not protect you from the impacts. So you have to be careful about this. Now moving towards the lower side of the helmet, I will show you that inside this you can see this fiber, the thermal coated fiber. This is thermoplastic and it is very hard fiber. It will protect the impact. And inside the cloth which is used over here, this fabric is antimicrobial, as well as it will moisture sucking helmet. You will not feel any kind of heat or humidity inside. And this is completely detachable. So all these parts, interior parts, they can come out. You can wash them. After washing, you can directly put them inside, and then again it becomes reusable. Now if I talk about this strap, you can see this is a very typical kind of strap, not using any button. Just two D type of connectors are being used, and this strap, you just pull it and it will give you a very good kind of comfort on your chin. And then after that, once you are done with this, then put it back here. You're done. So can say that everything is very comfortable, very nicely designed, very cool, and I love this helmet the most. Now I will take you towards the upper part of the helmet. Here you can see there is a vent. You can close this vent and open it. This vent will help you obviously with the air around your head and make the environment a little bit cooler for you. I really like the dimensions of this helmet. It gets fixed to your jaws as well, your ears. A helmet should be allowing you to wear the sunglasses easily. So I will show you. When I wear it. Now, as you can see, it's fixed to my body. It's fixed to my ears, my jaws. They are completely, I can feel the protection. And now I'm gonna wear this sunglasses. Easy, super easy. And I can move my neck around and I do not feel any kind of pressure on my ears, my neck. Easy. And to take off this helmet, just lose this strap, pull it a little bit wider and take it off. If we talk about the sizes, there are various sizes available in this helmet. When I went to the dealer, then they were having a large pilot helmet. Then I tried it, but it did not fix my head. So I went with the extra large. It comes from extra small to double XL. The size, whatever it suits you, you can purchase it. If we talk about the weight of this helmet, the weight is around 1.5 kg. So the weight is a little bit extra if I consider comparing with the another helmets, but it does not matter too much. And the price is around $225. I purchased it in around 16,000 Indian rupees. It's a unisex helmet. The wife can also enjoy the same comfort with you. And one negative thing about this helmet is that it takes a little bit more time when you take out the rear ring from it, right? When you make it in a half face configuration, it takes a little bit extra time. So I avoid using it in the half face format. That is the only con in this. Obviously there are many pros more than cons. That's why I purchased it. I purchased this helmet around 2 weeks before, and I can say like this helmet is the best helmet which I have used till now. And keep my words, this helmet does its job. So this helmet I will count in my another gears which I will purchase again. So it's a great buy as far as this helmet is concerned. So these are the fair reviews based on my usage. Well, it depends on you. You can have a look in the dealership. This is a Pilot 3-in-1 Scorpion helmet. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. And if you are planning to buy a new helmet, consider all these features which I have given to you. These features will help you in maintaining the safety standards for you and your family. So take care, enjoy and drive safe. Jai Hind. And do not forget to subscribe my channel if you want these kind of information. I usually keep sharing these kind of technical information for you. So keep subscribing the channels and keep supporting. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.